At ngayon pag-uusapan naman natin yung kahalagahan ng wellness, hindi lamang sa ating pangangatawan, kundi sa ating komunidad at pati rin sa ating buong planeta. Kasama natin ngayong umaga si Jeannie Havelosa, ang Director ng Communications ng Echo Store. One morning!
Good morning, Nikki.
Okay, tell us first, why is it important to have wellness, not only for our body, but also the community and the planet as well?
Well, kasi kung hindi ka buo, paano ka makashare ng sarili mo sa community? So, I think you have to be first whole. Sa physical body, healthy ka. Balance yung heart mo. Tapos yung mind mo, clear. Tapos dahil doon, yung spirito mo ay buo. So, pag buo ka na, you can share with your community the best of yourself. And then with the community, all of you can work together to be able to help better the planet. So, isang buong cycle kasi yan. Hindi pwede na sasabihin natin, ang buhay natin atin lang. And you know, ang health natin atin lang. Kasi kung anumang magandang kalagayan ng ating heart at mind, sinishare natin to kasi sa lahat ng tao.
And it emanates,
It emanates from you.
Okay, meron kayong mga natural products. Now, tell us about these products.
These are products from Echo Store, Sustainable Lifestyle. Echo is an acronym which means Environment, Community, Hope Organization. At lahat ng mga produkto dito ay para sa sustainability. When we say sustainability, meron kaming ang angulo na kami ay social enterprise, hindi lang for profit. Tinitingnan din namin yung importansya sa mga communities, the people who make this, the planet. And of course, you have to make a little profit in creating this, no? So yung mga produkto namin dito ay lahat natural, some of them organic, walang toxins lahat ito, at mabuti sa katawan, maski kainin mo, kagaya nito, no? Ito ang aming Coco Nectar. So this is very healthy for cellular health. Kasi ngayon,
Regeneration.
it regenerates the
Hindi ka na
cell.
kailangan mag-collagen.
Kasama na rin dyan.
Oo.
Power plant kasi energy, para siyang honey na sweet, no? So, isang tablespoon. And if, for example,
you can mix this with juice or...
it's better just alone.
Alone.
Alone siya na water.
And what does it do to you?
It basically strengthens the cellular metabolism of the body. So, we also have things that you can use sa body, yung ating mga shampoo, ang sabon natin. Importante kasi ito, kasi yung ating skin is the biggest organ ng body. So, lahat ng toxins ay pumapasok dito kung hindi tayo if we're not aware na ang dami natin mga commercial na binibili ng mga sabon, mga shampoo, ang dami-daming talagang preservatives and toxins. So, kailangan natin malaman to na ang ginagamit natin sa katawan natin, dapat makain rin natin in a way na wala siyang mga preservatives.
Biodegradable.
And it's also biodegradable.
Oh, for example, this Gugo, this is yung
This
hair
is a Gugo
shampoo.
Yes, it stops the hair from falling. And this is again a natural, very natural product made by local communities. Lahat ng produkto sa Echo Store ay gawa ng Pinoy. Okay? And maliliit na community. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa aming philosophy. Kasi kailangan natin tulungan yung ating mga maliliit na mga marginalized groups, yung mga samahang babae na mga, that's their only livelihood.
Itong mga community?
All over the country. No? Yun ang aming philosophy na kailangan natin tulungan una yung Pinoy na makakaahon sa kanilang buhay dahil sa livelihood. Aside from that, we have to help by creating products na magaganda. Kaya,
for example, this bag, maganda to bakit ito natural?
Well, this is part of the philosophy of recycling and community fair trade. These are recycled soft drink bottles, pull tabs. Ito naman ay recycled leather na binigay ng friend namin na may leather factory siya. So, lahat to recycled. Ngayon, lahat ng products na materials, dinadala namin sa Tondo, sa dump site, at doon ginagawa nilang mga bags. So, tulong mo talaga sa community. Nagkakakitaan at ini-export na nga ito ng grupo na taga Tondo, which is the Philippine Christian Foundation. Tinutulungan namin sila. Gumawa kami ng parang recycle program ng mga companies are going to donate. They donate their items that are recyclable. Dinadala sa Tondo, ginagawang mga produkto, binibenta namin sa Echo Store. So may buong cycle.
Hindi sa masayang, at least nagagamit pa.
Exactly, oo.
And this one, what is this?
Ito yung aming earth bag, no? Hope bag ang tawag namin. Tatlong kulay to, may brown, may green, at may beige. Yung brown na to focuses on creating an advocacy fund to help at some point build homes. Kita mo itong icon, may tatlong parang spiral siya, no? Ito yung aming buong filosofiya, no? We are 3 women, tatlo kami. Tapos, aside from that, these are about 3 philosophies. To nurture and sustain yung self, yung community, and the planet. It's also about partnerships of private sector, the community, and perhaps government or a funding organization. Ang sinasabi dito is, lahat tayo ay makakaahon at coming from a center and a joint effort, we can help a lot more, no? So, nagsuspiral siya palabas. Icon namin to sa EcoStore.
And this bag, you can actually, lumalaki ito.
This bag is a shopping bag. Para wag na tayong gumamit ng plastic, no? Buksan natin. So, ngayon,
ito na lang ang
mailagay mo
dadalhin
sa bag
natin
mo.
pag nag-supermarket
diba?
tayo.
Cute siya.
Malaki pala siya.
Malaki siya.
Ayun.
Diba? And then, we don't pollute the waterways. We can reuse our bags. We can just stop using plastic. So, another advocacy naman namin yan. Anything that helps the planet. No?
Okay, you have other products. Ito, ano ito?
Ito ay ang sun-dried tomatoes, gawa ng mga kababaihang masigla ng Nueva Ecija. So, again, small
you can
community
use it for
women.
your pasta sauce,
Ito ay pasta, yeah. You just have to maybe marinate a little of this in olive oil and then dikdikin natin and mix it with pasta. Ito ay mushrooms, dried mushrooms. Gawa to ng mga women's groups, no, sa Nueva Ecija. So, what we do sa EcoStore is normally nawawala yung middleman. Ang middleman kasi minsan ang dami ang profit pumupunta sa kanya more than it goes to the group. So, by the group coming directly to EcoStore, ang profit more goes to the group, di ba? So,
this one I find very interesting, no?
Yes.
Sinubukan ko kanina.
Yeah.
Tinanong kita, ano ba ito? Kasi isi-spray mo sa kamay mo. Sabi mo,
tawag namin to a spa in the bottle. And this is one of our favorites and a lot of people really like it because now life is so stressful. So, Nikki, kung bubuksan mo yung kamay mo, magsispray tayo. Isang spray lang, ilarab mo ngayon at huminga ka.
Sarap.
Diba? Parang nakakagising, nakaka-excite. And sa mga taong stress na nasa kotse, nasa computer, gustong gumising, maging masigla.
Ako yung kailangan akong gumising.
Ako rin.
Dapat ganito ko si Aljo din sa umaga.
Para so, maganda yan sa bag nyo, sa kotse, o mag-travel. Meron din kami pang travel na balm. So, ang dami naming produkto talaga sa EcoStore.
Okay, saan ang EcoStore?
Meron kaming dalawang branches, no? The main branch is in Serendra, which is in the ground floor, in the driveway of Serendra.
The fort.
This is in Fort Bonifacio Global City. It is directly across Market, no? And the other one is in Podium, sa Ortigas. We also have a presence in Shangri-La Mactan and in Shangri-La Makati. Then also in Esteban Abada, dun sa may Katipunan, parallel to Ateneo, no, the Katipunan area, we have opened a store called Eco Village Store in partnership with the Peace and Equity Foundation. Ito naman ay Sustainable Communities. Dahil yung Peace and Equity Foundation is a funding group. Nagbibigay ng pera for development all over the country. Gumagawa yung mga grupo ng mga produkto, wala naman sila store. So sabi namin, ang hirap naman i-brand isa-isa yung mga produkto. So gawin na lang natin, bigyan na lang natin sila ng aligned brand with EcoStore.
Okay, maliban can you have a bistro? Where they can eat itong mga natural products?
Actually, kakabukas lang yon yung Le Bistro Vert. Vert means green. So, pag-translate mo yan, parang the Green Bistro. Yun naman ay sustainable foods.
Where is this?
This is in Valero Street and Fraser Place in Makati.
In Makati.
Yes.
Okay. So, pupuntahan namin yan. This is all very interesting and ang galing ng cost nyo. So, thank you very much for coming to our show and
thank
one
you
morning.
for having us. Good morning, Nikki.
That's Jeannie Havelosa, Director of Communications ng EcoStore. Magbabalik po ang One Morning Cafe.